the Code Network's first ever episode. This episode is based on the Spigot MC API. And sorry if I'm kind of getting confused on while I was talking. So first step, crap, is we're gonna import the Spigot API. To do that, into your project, you will go right click the project, go to build path, and go to configure build path. Now here you'll click on libraries and click add external jar and add your spigot.jar over here, just like that. Hit apply and close, and now spigot.jar has been added and you're ready to code. Now first step is we're gonna create a package. Package is like a folder, but it's pretty useful and efficient if you're a good developer. So we're gonna call this package mnet.hypexmc, and we are gonna name this as we're gonna create our first class. We're gonna name this class as Crazy Auction, which is the name of our plugin. Definitely never ever rename your main class as main. Now we are gonna type extends Java plugin, and then you will do Control, Shift, and O to import everything. It's like importing shortcut. Now, once you do that, you need to do Control Shift S to save everything. Now you're gonna create two methods. First method we're gonna call at the override. We'll do public void, meaning void means it is not gonna do anything, like it's empty on enable, and just like that. What it's gonna do is it is saying whenever plugin is gonna enable, it's gonna send a message. So we're gonna do get logger, then parentheses dot info. Sorry, my Eclipse ID is kind of slow sometimes, but it fixed eventually. Here we have that, and we're gonna type our message. We're gonna type crazy auction has been enabled. So now the plugin is gonna enable, it's gonna say crazy auction has been enabled. Now we're gonna create the same method, but instead of doing on enable, we're gonna do on disable, and we are gonna do info, not in the parentheses, info, and crazy auction has been disabled. Alright, now without the plugin.yml, your plugin can't work. Plugin.yml is a file, and that file is basically pretty important file. That file is where all you're gonna tell your server where is everything stored. So you're gonna go right click the src folder, which is the source folder, and click file and name the file plugin.yml, then hit finish. You will require a YAML extension, prefer getting YEdit. Now you're gonna type the name, which is for my case is crazy auction, then the version is, you can type whatever you want. I'm gonna go with the basic 1.0.0, my bad. Now I'm gonna type the main, and the main is in our net dot hypexmc dot crazy auction. Now you guys are wondering where the heck do you get your main class? So .net and then the main class. So the package name, then a dot, and then the crazy auction. Once you have that, right click the crazy auctions and click export. Now hit next, and now choose the location. So for me it's right here. And once we have chosen its location, hit finish and the plugin is done building. Now we will go to our test server and we actually gonna launch the server and we actually gonna see if it actually works or not. So here's a test server. It should work, should not give us an error, but if you do something bad then eventually it will. Alright, so no bad errors. That is pretty nice. So crazy auction has been enabled. So that is how you create your own first plugin. It's not that hard. Alright, it's kind of hard, but if you remember everything, then it won't be a problem. Once again, all the code will be available on our GitHub, and you can go to our Discord and you can simply go right here to the code network Java help, ask us any question we want, and either me or someone else will be actually gonna reply you. So have a good rest of your day, and I see you in the next video.